Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make Lucía on the Nintendo Switch in Mii Maker. So she is the champion of table tennis in Wii Sports Resort, and I actually beat her. So here we go. This face, some freckles, none of those, and that skin tone. You want this hair and this colour. You want these eyebrows, these positions, and this colour. If you want, you can just pause the video because I'm going quite quick. I know I do go quite quick, but you can pause the video if you need to, so you can do positions easier and stuff like that. You want these eyes, these positions, and this colour. This nose, and these positions. This mouth, these positions, and the colour does not matter since it stays black whatever you change it to. No facial hair, no moles, gender female, just keep it normal, no glasses, favourite colour orange, and Lucía with this kind of this eye with like a slanted dot at the top. So yeah. Oh, whoops. Oh god. That was me clicking on the wrong thing. There we go. So yeah, that's how you make Lucía on the Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching and have a great day.